Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Cyborg 15 model and ensuring MSI Center, or Dragon Center, is installed and updated because the app controls RGB profiles. Once done, plug the laptop into power to prevent sleep during firmware writes. Open MSI Center, navigate to the Mystic Light or SteelSeries engine section. This is where keyboard lighting lives. Make sure keyboard drivers are up to date. Without them, color changes may not apply. Now you're ready to enter the lighting interface and choose a profile to edit. You'll now pick between zone-based or per key control depending on your Cyborg 15 model, because per key offers finer customization but is more complex. Select a zone or individual keys, then choose a color using the picker or numeric RGB values for precision. Adjust brightness and effect speed. Lower brightness preserves battery and reduces heat. Use transitions like breathing or wave if supported, and save the custom profile to internal storage or cloud, so changes persist after reboot and apply the profile and test the keyboard in a neutral lighting condition to evaluate true color. You'll notice differences between screen and LED output. If colors don't apply, restart MSI Center, then reboot Windows. Many settings require an app relaunch. If still broken, reinstall the keyboard driver and the SteelSeries or MSI utility. Drivers often fix detection issues. As a last resort, reset keyboard lighting in BIOS or run a firmware utility. This clears corrupted settings and restores default behavior, resolving persistent glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.